guys. Look at this. Look at that.
Look at this.
Now we actually got some snow here. That's deep. I'm tired of... I've been chasing my dog. But yeah, that's deep, man. Look at that.
Look at this.
That's a whole hand. Look at this bike.
Somebody come and look at this.
She pretty. Ooh, I like the way she looks. Man, but I won't be able to see nothing if I'm driving. It's covered in snow. Yeah, I don't think this is safe. I can't see. Like, my whole windshield's covered in snow. It actually feels nice inside the helmet. I don't feel cold. What y'all think? I think I could be able to drive this on the road. Let it warm up a bit. It's a lot of ice.
Run.
I got that Shoei helmet, and it comes with that, well, I mean, I bought it separately, but what's that thing called? Hey, man, this dirt all over here. It comes with that, it's like a plastic that goes over the, like, behind the visor. It's supposed to help to not let your visor get foggy, but it's not, like, bad. I could still see. It's just, it's not the same. Like, it works. It worked this whole winter time. Today that we got snow, for some reason it's foggy. Whoa, we slipping. Everyone's out here having fun. I'm the crazy one out here on the motorcycle. Look at this dude out there having fun. Me da cosa manejarlo rápido esta. Es así, pero ya se está poniendo, ya se está congelando, ¿verdad?
Y ahorita ya va a estar ya plantilla de...
¿A dónde?
Esa solo la acelera y tiene que hacerla así y ella solita se resbala.
Alright, let's take okay. Whoa. Ooh, we slid. Oh no, it didn't do it. Sí. Da un poco miedo por allá. Bueno, los dejo. Alright, I'm gonna head home. That was fun. Crazy. 2025 and we got snow in Houston. I say we off to a good start. Let's hope so. I mean, come on, I've been here my entire life. I've barely seen, basically what I used to see was what the road has. I don't know if it was back in 2021 or I forgot when it was, but it was 2 times. They said that it was gonna snow or that we had the chance to snow. But nah, we get cold, but we don't get snow. So I'll be like, damn, why I gotta be stupid cold with no snow? Like, come on, Houston. Come on, weather. Bless us. And this time it blessed us. It ain't crazy like other states, but man, to see this. Okay, now it's icy again. Man, my gloves are not for the cold. They got this little openings because they're for the summer. This is beautiful to see. The way it just falls off my bike. Man, look at the schools. Maybe I could do a burnout now. It'll be sketchy now. Whoa, we went sideways, guys. Woo, we going sideways. Hey, right here, since no one's driving. Oh yeah, it's ice, bro. I felt myself going sideways. Yeah. You can do a burnout here. Woo, dang. It's all frozen over here.
¿Qué le pasó?
¿Ah?
¿Qué le pasó?
¿Qué?
A la moto.
No, me fui de lado. Yeah, aquí sí.
Ah, perdona.
Gracias.
Yo allá en México corrí una. Yo no volví a usar un moto porque tuve una caída y yo me desbloqueé aquí el hueso.
Oh.
Bueno, ya en México me gustaron las carreras, los arrancones. Los arrancones. Pero entonces hay una glorieta que es donde regresas como que ya terminó la carrera con el que hayas jugado. Me la di de más y me agarró el peso a la moto.
Oh.
Todo duré como 6 meses que solo me pusieron un yeso y luego me tuvieron que operar. Digo, así un año, para que se me hubiera acomodado la mano y desde ahí no, yo no quiero subir a las motos y ya no me dio porque ya me quedó como trauma.
Alright, so where's the bike meet at? Dang, she looks pretty. This road is starting to freeze up. When it was just snow, it's alright. Now it's freezing up. I would like a 4-cylinder bike, but this is a nice bike. I would love to go faster. Man, just the sound of a 4-cylinder. ZX4R, I like it how it sounds, but I don't think I should upgrade to that. Top speed is pretty much the same. It'll be nice to just keep this one so you have that type of seating position. You don't want to be fully committed. I hope I can keep learning from this bike, avoid the mistake, because sometimes like you can't ride it obviously like due to the weather. I won't be able to ride it till who knows when, because they're saying that, because I didn't drove it since New Year, and then I drove it like, what was it, 2 days ago was when I got it back, and now the weather's like this, so it looks cool to be driving it around this type of weather. It looks, but other than that, when you take like a month or so, man, it's like you kind of gotta reteach yourself the mistakes you were making on cornering, little stuff. But yeah, I would love to eventually bump up to a ZX6R. Hopefully God blesses me with one. Or hopefully y'all help me out get that ZX6R. Come on, man. Anything is possible now. If y'all like my content, like and subscribe, man. Give me a comment, bro. If y'all don't like it, just say, man, you need to fix your content. It is boo-boo right now. Some advice, man, what y'all want to see. Like some people can't even get this bike, so I know it's cheap and all that, but man, for me too, I don't make that much. I work at, I'm not gonna say where I work at, but where I work at, even though people think that you don't make some money right there, let's just say I make below 30K, bro. But yeah, I'm barely surviving here. And I know Texas is cheaper, but man, that's not enough. This ain't even my house. This is a brand new house. I'm just filming because I like blue. But yeah, man, if y'all can give me a like, a subscribe, a comment, let me know what I'm doing wrong. But to be honest, I'm new to this. Now, we can't do wheelies yet. I mean, we could do like little bitty wheelies where that front tire like this, but I'm working on it, y'all. So right now I'm just slipping and sliding. All right, subscribe, give me a like, and give me a comment, man. I don't bite, but yeah, let's get on.
Estamos bien, pues aquí sale